product that I go in... Okay, Charlie. It's Mikayla. So today I'm going to be filming a what's in my makeup bag video. So pretty much what I'll be talking about is products that I use on an everyday basis. Also, I don't normally do my makeup like this, so like if it's good or bad, make sure you let me know. Also, I got these earrings as well. They're like really heavy and I'm not used to earrings like this. Before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow my social media right there, Mikayla Jayde218, and yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So I have done a what's in my makeup bag video before. I now have different makeup products and I also have a different makeup bag. This is my makeup bag. It is just one from Kmart. I got it for $2.50. It's just like a metallic-y kind of finish. Really pretty. That's why I got it. So I guess I'll go from start to finish of my makeup routine. So I always start off my makeup with foundation. The e.l.f. oil-free SPF 15 sunscreen foundation. I am in the colour Alabaster. It's slightly too light for me, but now that it's winter in Australia, it'll match my skin tone pretty quickly. So yeah, this is what I use. I got this from Kmart and it was approximately $12, I think. It was something around that. After I finish my foundation, I go in with a powder. I use the e.l.f. pressed powder in Ivory. This is just a staple pressed powder for me. It's really affordable and it does the job and it mattifies me in the way that I want to be mattified. I've done a review on this product before, I think. But yeah, I really like it. It's a really good pressed powder. So that pressed powder is also around the $10 mark, I think, in Australian dollars. I know I said that I was going to do this in order, but I totally forgot a product. I used this e.l.f. concealer before I used my pressed powder. It is in the colour Light. So far I'm using 3 e.l.f. products in 3 different colours. Like, good on me, good on me. This is the Cover Everything concealer. It's really affordable and cheap. I really like this product a lot, so yeah. And it really works like really well with the pressed powder. If I use any other powder, it creases like crazy, but when I use that powder, it doesn't crease at all. And this is quite a thick concealer. The next product that I go in with is the W7 Very Vegan Matte Bronzer. I love this bronzer so much. It's in the colour Sunkissed. I have never mentioned this brand on my channel, but it's a really good product. I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty much all these products I'm wearing today. Yeah, it's a really good bronzer. It blends out really amazingly and it's very vegan. All these products are vegan, just to clear the water. The next product that I go in... Okay, Charlie, you wanted to be in the video. In my last video, which was me introducing my new bird, Snowy, I said that Charlie didn't like coming over this side of the room, but he must like it. So these are my birdies. Yeah. So that's Charlie, that's Snowy. He likes being on the windowsill, so I'm gonna put him up there. Continuing on with the video. The next product that I go in with is an e.l.f. blush palette. This blush palette is in the range dark, I think, and I'm by no means dark, but I really like this product. The only reason I got it was because it was on like clearance, so like I really love like all of these colors. The rest of the colors are like the darker shades that just would not go with my skin color unless I wanted to be like a clown or something. I use this eyeshadow when I do eyeshadow and I'm feeling pinky, but I really love this blush. Oh, don't want to give you the finger. I really like this blush like a lot, and the fact that there's a mirror in there is like even better. So after I finish my blush, I then go in with a highlighting powder. The highlighting powder that I use is from W7 again. This is the Very Vegan highlighting powder. This was like $4 or something, $3.99, $4.99, something like that. Like same with the bronzer as well. And it is a really good highlighter. I love it. I'm wearing it today. I haven't touched up since like 5 hours ago. But like, this is what it looks like. I really love those like champagne-y highlighting powders. Like, I love them so much. And I feel like they complement my skin tone really well because I am more of a yellow-based skin tone. Yeah, I really like this powder a lot. It's also very similar to my e.l.f. highlighter that I have, but I use this more for some reason. After I finish my highlighter, I go into my brows. I use a eyebrow brush with this, but this is the e.l.f. eyebrow, not that side, this side, the e.l.f. eyebrow thing. It's very loved and used. This isn't the best product that I've ever used. I much prefer using powder, like brown powder, on my eyebrows, because if you've watched any of my makeup tutorials, I don't like, or I just can't be bothered drawing in my eyebrows like most of the beauty gurus do. I just can't be bothered doing that, and last time I did that I got weird looks. If you don't know me, I have like pretty much transparent eyebrows, so like I'm very unlucky with that department. What I use this eyebrow product for is just darkening my eyebrow hairs and that surrounding region. So yeah, really like this product. It was around like the $6 mark. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. Yeah, I still got heaps of product. I need to sharpen it, but yeah, it does the job, and that's the main thing. So after I have done my eyebrows, I then go in with mascara and my eyelash curler. I use the UBU eyelash curler. It was like $4 from Kmart. I don't even know if they sell it anymore, but like it curls my lashes, and that's all it does. I then go in with my e.l.f. Black mascara. I don't know what it's called. It's like volumizing or something. It's a really good mascara. I really like it. I love the wand as well. Love the wand. It was very affordable. It does the job. Doesn't clump my lashes. I have one from W7, but it's more clumpy and like it gets on my like eyelids and stuff, so I much prefer this e.l.f. one, although I do go back and forth, but I mostly use the e.l.f. one. And then the very last thing that is in my makeup bag is an e.l.f. lip balm in Bear Kiss. That's what it looks like. Very natural, not what I'm wearing right now. This was like $4. It moisturizes my lips the way that I like, with adding a little bit extra color. So yeah, so that pretty much concludes this video. If you want to see more videos like this about like makeup kind of stuff, I want to do more videos where I put a little bit more effort into my appearance. So like, you know, doing a red lip or wearing hoop earrings, putting my hair up, you know what I mean? Like, I don't go that much out with my videos. I feel like I look the same in every single video, and I want to be kind of like a beauty based channel. And I have like heaps of eyeshadow, but I never ever wear eyeshadow because I'm just too lazy. Hayden and I, we are planning on moving out soon, so we're going to get a house that is approximately like 3 or 4 bedrooms, and I'm going to have my own office, so I'm going to have like the perfect lighting and like the perfect filming setup, so bear with me. This is literally the corner of my bedroom. Like the rest of my room is my bed and birds. So like there's really nothing else to my room. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. If you want me to do a video like discussing my life, then I will do that. As mentioned in like previous videos, there's a lot that's been going on in my life at the moment, like a lot. Don't forget to follow my social media, which is right there, Mikayla J218. And yeah, that concludes this video, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm gonna go now. Bye.